Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This video about rationalizing denominator. Subscribe to the channel and join with us. What about the rationalizing mean? In a fraction has a surd in a denominator, then it is sometimes useful to rearrange the denominator as rational number. Then it is called as rationalizing denominator. Let's check out the theory part. If the fraction 1 over square root a, we can rationalize it as by multiplying square root a both numerator and denominator. Then we can get as square root a over a. Then this denominator is rationalized. Second type of case is 1 over a plus square root b. Then also this denominator is irrational. Then we can make it as rational by multiplying a minus square root b both up and bottom. Then we can get as a minus square root b over a squared minus b. This is the difference of two square numbers. In the same way, check the third case. It is 1 over a minus square root b. Then you know it is need to multiply a plus square root b both top and bottom. Then we can get as rational factors. It is a plus square root b over a squared minus b. This fraction has rationalized denominator. These are major points you need to get an idea about rationalized. Then move to some example. First one, it is 1 over square root 3. You need to rationalize the denominator. Then you need to multiply square root 3 in top and bottom. Then you will get square root 3 over 3. Yeah, this is the rationalized denominator. Second case is 1 over 3 plus square root 2. Then you need to multiply 3 minus square root 2 top and bottom. Then you will get numerator as 3 minus square root 2 and over 9 minus 2. 7 come by 3 squared minus 2, it is 7. The final answer is 3 minus square root 2 over 7. Let's check another two example like same. Third one is square root 5 plus square root 2 over square root 5 minus square root 2. Then you need to multiply by square root 5 plus square root 2 in a top and bottom. Then you can get the rationalized denominator. When multiply by it, at the top we will get square of square root 5 plus square root 2, and denominator will get as 5 minus 2. At the top it is square root 5 plus square root 2 within bracket square. Then in the denominator you can get as 3, and the numerator you will be simplify the bracket, and it is 5 plus square root 5 square root 2 and plus square root 5 square root 2 again, and finally is number 2. Now you can simplify those numbers. It is 5 plus 2 is 7, and you know if you multiply square root 2 into square root 5 it is square root 10. There are two times of this case, then we can put it as 2 square root 10 over 3. This is the final answer you will get about rationalized denominator. Let's check the final example. It is 1 over 1 minus square root 3 within bracket square. Then you need to simplify the bracket. It is 1 minus 2 square root 3 plus 3. You will get it by simplifying the bracket. Then after simplify again, it is 1 over 1 plus 3 is 4 minus 2 square root 3. Then this is the irrational denominator. You can rationalize it by multiplying 4 plus 2 square root 3 top and bottom. Then you will get the numerator as 4 plus 2 square root 3. Denominator you can get as simplifying these minus and plus expression. It is 16 minus 2 into 2 into square root 3 into square root 3. When you simplify it, you will get as 4 into 3, it is 12. Then 4 plus 2 square root 3 over 16 minus 12 is 4. Then there are some factors in top and bottom. It is number 2. Then you can cut off the number 2 from top and bottom. It is remaining as 2 plus square root 3 over 2. This is the final answer. This is about how to rationalize the denominator. Let's check some very nice example. You need to solve the equation. Then you need to find the value of x. How to find the value of x? Then first you can separate the x terms in one side. Then 8 equal to 8x over square root 3 minus x into square root 12. Then you can take the x over the bracket. Then 8 over square root 3 minus square root 12. Then you need to simplify the bracket. X within bracket, you make the denominator as square root 3. Then you have to multiply square root 12 and square root 3. Then 8 minus square root 36 over square root 3. Then you know square root 36 is equal to 6. Then 8 equal to x within bracket 8 minus 6 over square root 3. Then it is 8 equal to x. 8 minus 6 is 2 over square root 3. Then you can simplify it by cancelling out 2 and 8. Then x over square root 3 equal to 4. Then if you make the subject as x, it is x equal 4 into square root 3. This is the answer for the x. I think that you got the clear idea, and thank you very much for watching. See you in next video and subscribe the channel. See you again guys.